Hello, everybody. No, a tornado did not hit the RV, but kind of looks that way right now. I am in the middle of pulling the cabinetry on the rear so that I can replace the water damaged panels up here. The nice thing is these are all put together pretty simply. You have basically you've got one by twos or 2x2s across everywhere you see a strip here, and these panels are just kind of stapled onto it. And then there's a little bit of insulation up there, so there's really not much to worry about when you go into repair it. I mean, you just kind of try to save the piece you pull off and make your rough estimation of a cut, and you just replace it. It's not that big a deal. I mean, a lot of people get scared of water damage, but there's really bad water damage and there's not so bad. And this is really just that superficial thin paneling. But in order to replace that, I've got to get these cabinets down and out of the way, which is fine because I was going to paint or either paint or resurface or do something with these cabinets so they're different color. Along with the doors, I've got all the doors off and all the hardware over there. All the doors, you notice the hole is numbered, and then the door will be numbered, so they all go back in the same spot. But that is what we're working on today, so everything is in complete disarray. You really don't realize how much storage you have in one of these until you have to take off every cabinet door. So, that's where we are, and we will see you next time.